life, but I'll take yours too. You fire a musket, but I run you through. So when you're waiting for the next attack, you better stand, there's no turning back. The bugle sounds, the charge begins, but on this battlefield no one wins. The smell of fucking smoke and horse's breath as I bound you to a certain death. Oh. Russian guns, that's we race towards the human war. The scream of pain as my comrades fall. We heard of bodies that lay on the ground, and the Russians fire another round. We get so near, get so far away, we won't live to fight another day. When the Russian gets me in the sights, he pulls the trigger and I feel the blow. The burst of round takes my horse below. As I lay there gazing at the sky, my body's numb and my throat is dry. And as I lay here forgotten alone,